I've been exploring the Vanguard Retirement Planner for a while now, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review of this tool in 2025. I'll cover everything from key features to potential drawbacks. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether Vanguard's Retirement Planner is the right choice for your future. Let's dive in. Vanguard Retirement Planner is an online tool designed to help you map out your retirement goals and see if you're on track financially. Whether you're just starting to save or nearing retirement, this planner gives you a personalized strategy based on your current savings, expected expenses, and future goals. One of its standout features is its user-friendly interface. The tool simplifies complex calculations, making it easy for anyone to understand their retirement outlook without needing to be a financial expert. It allows you to input details like your income, investments, Social Security benefits, and even estimated retirement age to build a customized projection. Another major plus is how well it integrates with Vanguard's suite of investment options, especially their low-cost index funds and ETFs, which are highly respected in the industry. You can model different scenarios to see how adjustments in contributions or retirement age could impact your future savings. However, it's important to note that while the Vanguard Retirement Planner is a powerful tool, it does have its limitations. It works best if you're already a Vanguard customer, as it can automatically sync your account data. If you have multiple accounts across different institutions, you'll need to enter that information manually. Also, keep in mind, it's a self-guided tool, meaning it doesn't replace professional financial advice. If your situation is complex, consulting with a financial advisor might still be a smart move. Overall, Vanguard's Retirement Planner is an excellent resource for anyone looking to take control of their retirement planning with clarity and confidence. It's straightforward, integrates well with Vanguard's offerings, and gives you a solid roadmap for the future. That's all for this video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to support the channel. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. We'll see you in the next one.